There are a few simple maintenance procedures that can keep our flat plate gear units operating smoothly. This video outlines the easy steps to follow to ensure proper operation. First, take the gear and check the date on the plate and motor and match it against the warranty. Ask the customer for a service record for the unit. Warranties depend on annual professional inspection. At this point, you can inform the customer if the problem is under warranty or a billable service call. Be sure to check the unit for neglect, such as no grease on the teeth or missing parts, or any damage to the unit in general. Inspect the piling alignments for anything that can cause extra stress on the gear. This stress creates added torque and can damage the unit. Check cable winder and pulleys for misalignment that can cause added stress on the gear. Cross-reference the weight being lifted by the unit to the weighted capacity of the gear. If the weight being lifted is in excess of the rated capacity, damage can occur. Some common reasons that cause plates to squeal are a lack of grease, misalignments, or lifting over the weighted capacity. Another reason plate might squeal is a loosening of the back collar holding the bull gear in place. Several things over time can loosen this collar, such as a sudden impact to the gear, an overload of weight, or being out of alignment. Use your hand and reach over the back of the gear to see if it moves. If there's a significant front-to-back movement in the bull gear, the plate has experienced shock load or is acting as a bearing. This will cause the plate to turn in an oval pattern and over time create misalignment in the unit. Noise, binding, or premature wear will develop, particularly while going down if the gear is turning and engaging the side of the block set. The center sleeve going through the bull gear can be realigned. To do so, making sure the load is off the lift and the bull gear is pulled back, use a vice grip to loosen the 3/8 inch set screw. And from the back of the plate, slide the sleeve forward until the back collar is flush with the plate collar. Retightening the collar will correct the problem, with the exception of the condition existing for over a long period of time. If the hole in the plate is worn and excessively out of round, tightening the collar will not correct the problem, and a new plate will be required. If the bull gear does not have a wobble and the problem is instead overload, take some pressure off the plate by using a larger drive pulley or a smaller motor pulley. This is very effective, even for misaligned units. Aqua Marine Supplies carries a special lubricant that can be applied to the bronze bearing and worm that also relieves friction. However, this alone is not a solution. Plates that have been squealing for an extended period of time in one direction can be serviced and tightened. This may correct the problem. However, in certain cases, permanent damage to the plate collar can occur. Similar to driving a car with the front end out of alignment, if operated in this condition for a long period of time, the rubber on the tires disappears and cannot be replaced. One solution to a plate in this condition would be to reverse the cable pull to where up is down and down is up. Sometimes this transfers the torque from the worn part of the plate sleeve. Plates under warranty can be sent back to the factory for repair or replacement at the manufacturer's option. Plates not under warranty have the previous options at their own expense. The AMS flat plate is the longest lasting gear plate in the industry. With proper care and maintenance, will reliably serve boaters for many years.